Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the font size on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. In order to do that, we need to find the settings. So let's open all apps and then let's go to settings. Now over here we need to scroll and find display, which should be somewhere at the top over here. And then we need to find the display size and text. We can tap on the text, and over here we have two options that have an impact on the text size. The first one is the font size itself. We can tap on the plus or the minus button, or we can just move with our finger on the slider. You can also see the preview and how it changes. However, in addition to that, we also have the display size, which can also be changed, and it also changes the size of the text. As you can see, the text is bigger as well. So we can manage and adjust both of these sizes in order to make the text bigger or smaller. And in addition to that, we can also enable the bold text if needed. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!